Hey guys, welcome to Tech channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can download ChatGPT for search engines and add to Chrome and how to use it. So let's go to the browser first. Just go here and write ChatGPT for search engines Chrome. Okay, so just click the first one, ChatGPT for search engine Chrome templates. Okay, here you can find this. Just click on add to Chrome, add extension. Your extension is downloading here. It is downloaded already. Now just go here, extension, click on this, and you'll find ChatGPT search engines. Pin it and click on this. After clicking on this, it will ask for ID and password to log in. Just after login, you will find this. Okay, so your ChatGPT search engine is ready to use. You can ask anything. What is the melody? You can ask anything. You can ask like you can write here, can I ask anything? See, you can ask anything you want. Okay, so this is how guys you can download a ChatGPT for search engines and add to Chrome, and this is how you can use. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.